Welcome to MyGuide.org. Welcome to MyGuide. In this guide we will learn how to set password policies in Salesforce Lightning. Click on gear icon. Click on Setup. Enter password policies in Quick Find. Click on Password Policies. Select the password's expiry limit. Enforce password history. Set minimum password length. Set password complexity requirement. Set password question requirement. Set maximum invalid login attempts limit. Set lockout effective period, duration. Click on Save. Thank you from MyGuide.org.